Celtics no chance.
Yeah, he's been a good addition after the first game. Abdul Fana coming in at the back, replacing this inexperience with the younger the back four that they had in the first game. And I think the coach is probably now settled on what is probably his strongest lineup with Abdul Samad the gun in, slotting in at the centre back position and allowing them to have that control at the back and the distribution from the back. This is probably what he settled in on as his strongest side. They obviously start the tournament with Manavir in the back four, in the back line, and ended up playing as a fullback later on, having been subbed early in the first game. But I think that's sometimes these tournaments early on, it's difficult for coaches to know their best 11 until later on in the competition.
Like maybe as well, without their first choice centre back in Shubhendu Mandi, who picked up a blow in the last game against Punjab. But the way Portland played against the Shades, they presented a fortress-like formation. Compact, disciplined, every player knowing their role like clockwork. The shape was seamless blend of steel and silk thread.
Yeah, it was really impressive defensively because in the first minute they could have got a goal down to Punjab, and he thought, okay, this is just a matter of time before Punjab score. But as the game grew, they grew in confidence, and sometimes defending well gives your team confidence, and that certainly was the case on that occasion.
Comes to a boiling point tonight. Portland perched atop the summit with 6 points from 2 games, need only a draw to secure their passage